Welcome to Pip Insight, Monday, 27th of July, Asian pre-open. Our engine tracks 27 markets every morning on pipinsight.co.uk. And this session, we have selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 4 showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure. Euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure. Gold dollar, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, let's get into it, because this one deserves a proper look heading into the new week. Gold is carrying a moderate bearish bias off the 4-hour chart, and for good reason. Price dropped roughly $140 from the July 22nd highs near $4,164 all the way down to $4,024 by Thursday. A sharp, clean sell-off through 4 consecutive bearish candles. Since then, we've seen a modest recovery bounce, with price gapping higher over the weekend to open around $4,091 before briefly spiking to $4,119 during Sunday's session. That spike got faded quickly, and we're now consolidating tightly around $4,094, which tells you the market isn't convinced yet. The level to watch overhead is the $4,115 to $4,130 zone. That area marked last Wednesday's Asian Open and acted as a launch pad for the sell-off, a rejection that would keep the downtrend very much intact. To the downside, $4,042 to $4,057 is the key support floor from late last week, and a break below that opens the door back toward the $4,024 swing lows. On the fundamental side, there are no high-impact US releases scheduled today, which actually matters. Thin catalysts in the early Asian session often mean compressed, low-liquidity price action. We're seeing exactly that on the 15-minute chart right now. Watch 4,015 to the upside and 4042 to the downside as your session boundaries. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.143 and 1.1439. Support is marked between 1.1368 and 1.1378. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3363 and 1.3365. Support is marked between 1.331 and 1.3319. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 163.85 and 163.99. Support is marked between 163.44 and 163.53. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8165 and 0.8172. Support is marked between 0.8137 and 0.8142. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 0.5805 and 0.5811. Support is marked between 0.5768 and 0.5773. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 218.52 and 218.65.
Support is marked between 217.95 and 218.08. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We brought you the day's clearest charts from the 27 markets we track daily. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Our flagship analysis publishes every weekday before the London Open, with all 27 markets broken down on pipinsight.co.uk. Follow us on X @ForexInsight for updates. See you next time.